Hi, everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this YouTube platform. YouTube has shared with us that the more thumbs up that they see, they then will put our videos out in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had an opportunity to meet this channel yet. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that support of the thumbs up. Okay, guys, I didn't expect this so quickly, but we got a second early surprise spoiler before the actual sneak peek spoilers that are going to start on Monday, October the 10th. And Monday, October the 10th is going to be a really busy day if you are like me, and you also get BoxyCharm because that is our choice day, and it is when they open up the drop shop sales. So, starting on Monday, October the 10th, they are doing it backwards. They're going to be sharing customizations for categories 6, 5, and 4. And then each following day, they're going to open up another category. And then they're going to end off the week with some past favorites. And then the following week, they're going to give us some insight on the refills as well as the boosters. Just so mark on your calendar, the most important date is the customization date for annuals, which is going to be starting on October 28th through November the 1st. And then for seasonals, it will start on November 11th through the 15th. They've also shared with us previously, and I just want to recap it so everybody knows, that if and when items do sell out, because they are still they're mentioning some limited quantities, which they will have that timer on. If I didn't have any problems at all last season, and a lot of you shared the same with me, but if you see that, those are the ones they're assuming might go away first. And if they do, they will replenish it with another item. They will not limit the amount of the, they will not like if there's 5 other possibilities, there will still be 5, just they might be a little different. Please share with me last season if when you went in afterwards, if when you checked some things changed up. I really only saw maybe 1 or 2 that did. It really wasn't as big a deal as I, read about it that it was going to be, that so many people were concerned. But I go in early and I never really go back. But if you did and you checked, please make sure to share that in the comments down below as well. So if you missed my previous spoiler, please go to the videos section and you'll see all the videos that you missed on my page. And now let's get into what the next spoiler that they're sharing with us is going to be. And this is what it is here. And they're saying this is another early winter box spoiler. It says ace your holiday makeup with this Ace Beauté Serenity eyeshadow palette and the Aurora reusable makeup swabs. They're saying this is going to be a 12-pan palette, and it also says on here it has and reusable swabs. It will help bring your dream festive looks to life this winter season. This is going to be, they're saying, in customization 4, and every additional item within this customization 4 is going to be $8. So let's see some more information that they wrote about here. So they're saying Area Beauty reusable makeup swabs. They're saying they have a $15 value, and they're saying the beauty makeup swabs are a must-have for your makeup bag. They're saying this is a versatile zero-waste alternative which replaces traditional cotton swabs. It is equipped with medical-grade silicone tips that are washable as well as reusable. And they're saying the product care instructions on that, they're saying you can wash with warm water and mild soap, and then they suggest to dry before storing. They also say how to use. They're saying the precision tips are perfect for makeup and skincare applications, as well as on-the-go touch-ups. They're saying you can use the beauty makeup swabs for lip color application, brow shaping, eyeliner detailing, skincare application, concealer blending, and more. They're saying it is for external use only and not to be used in your ears or your nose. Included in here is one plastic carrying, they're saying vase, with 2 reusable plastic swabs with those silicone tips. The material is plastic stick with the silicone tips. And the founder, this is a female-founded brand, and there are no restrictions on this. The other item that they showed is that Ace Beauté palette, and I love Ace Beauté's eyeshadows. I have so many of them, and I'm going to have to check if I have this one, but I do not think I do, and these colors are the ones that I gravitate towards. This is a 12-pan palette that's perfect for everyday makeup or creating festive holiday looks. They're saying it is cruelty-free, it is 12 pans, and it says to get the most color payoff, they recommend using your flat, firmer brushes when using the shimmer colors. They softly spritz the brush before taking up the product for a foiled look. And the first ingredients on here are talc, silica, and mica. And this is also a female-founded brand, and there are no restrictions on here either. So those are the 2 spoilers. I'm just going to scroll up so you guys can see the actual palette here. They have the colors kind of out a little bit so you can see them, but with no swatches. But this is what they're showing, what the actual shades will look like, a little bit crunched up so that we can kind of see it. But I really think the actual palette here is the easiest way for me to get it. But once, if I get this palette, because this is one now that it's so early to say if we want it or we don't, because there's usually so much to choose from. But to be able to get this pair as an add-on for just $8, I think this might end up in my box. What are your thoughts on this? I'm really excited about these early spoilers, but I really get excited about sharing the spoilers with you on my channel, especially during FabFitFun when we get a full week, almost 2 weeks of spoilers where I get to share with you every single day. So as soon as they become live, I immediately try to film it and get it up to you as quickly as possible so that we can share in the comments down below in what I call our True Ones community. And then it helps everybody if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products in previous boxes, not only just FabFitFun previous, but any other box that you might have received these products or had the opportunity to try them. Those are the comments that I always look forward to reading and responding back to, because it helps not only me make some better decisions if they're products I haven't had the opportunity to try and share, but you're also helping everyone else who is a subscriber to True Ones. So once again, thank you to everybody for being part of this exciting time when it is a FabFitFun season and taking the time to share in the comments. And I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.